To set up alerts for Kik, start by logging into your Kik account on your browser. Then open a new tab and navigate to Botrix, Live. Log in or create an account. And for simplicity, you can use your existing Twitch account by selecting the Log in with Twitch option and authorizing access. Once authorized, sign into Kik by entering your Kik username and accepting the terms. Give Botrix the required role. To continue, then copy the Botrix username and select Continue, which will redirect you to the Kik website to add Botrix as a new moderator. Add Botrix as a moderator by typing in the username and selecting Add, which will add Botrix to your moderators list. Next, go back to the previous page, copy the provided link, and paste it into the designated field. Then select Chat to link your account to Botrix. Confirm that your account has been successfully linked. Then close the window and select Finish to complete the linking process. To set up alerts, navigate to the Alerts tab, usually located at the top left side of the screen. For this example, set up a followers alert by selecting the Followers option and ensuring the corresponding checkbox is selected, indicated by a green color. You can leave the default image and sound settings or customize them as desired. Explore the various options, such as style, provision, alert duration, and text customization, and adjust them to your preferences. Once you've made your selections, save your settings and copy the provided URL. Finally, go to your streaming service, such as Streamlabs or OBS, and add a new browser source by selecting Sources and Browser Source, then paste the copied URL into the designated field. Name the source, adjust the settings as needed, and test the alert feature to ensure it's working correctly. With these steps, you should now have alerts set up for Kik.